Hello, good morning. Good morning, guys. How are you? If you can hear me clearly, just comment down hi, good morning so as you can be able to start our morning analysis. Okay. See around three people who have tuned in on the live stream. Just a moment. Okay. So I'm a bit late today. I'm sorry, guys. I'm a bit late, but we are going to start. We're going to start the analysis. I got directed to start the analysis. Just in case those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. That's where you'll be able to see these more of them analysis I'm doing. Okay. Yeah, we have around 10 people now on the live stream. More than enough so I can be able to start. Like with around 10 people, it's okay. I can start. Okay, so let me share my screen. So the first thing we do, we have to check the fundamentals we normally have. And also, if I haven't seen any comment, just say hi, good morning. Just shout out, giving me a shout out on the comment section. And let me know, is everything clear? Is my internet clear? I'm trying to see whether is everything okay. Abu, hello, bro. Because I can see Victor's comments. Hello. Let me know, Kendry. Let me know if everything is clear from your end. If the screen is clear, and you can be able to see my live stream, so as we can start. Msiniambie internet kumbua leo. Let me go directly. Okay. So today is on Thursday. We had AUD news in the morning. Today afternoon we have an employment claim. So only unemployment claim we have today. I guess it's just unemployment news, not Conazo. Let's go directly to the charts. Okay, our first analysis is always USDCHF. First of all, let me know also what view you had yesterday. Yesterday, we had this view on USDCHF, and I can clearly see that the market obeyed a little bit at a few pips, less than even 10 pips to what we were looking for. To the market went higher and higher. And let's clear all the views in the market and come to daily time frame, be able to see. Okay, on 4 hours. I think we are not going to change our bias from what we have been doing in terms of USDCHF. This is on 4 hours, but it's on a premium zone. Checking this market is on a higher premium zone, considering we have this various swing here. We have a change of character, and if you guys can't hear me clearly or can see me clearly, let me know from the comment section. We have a change of character here. Can clear from that on 2 hours zone. Okay, on 2 hours, this is a premium entry zone for us to be able to sell this market because we have a failure swing, even a failure swing, we have a change of character and this zone. So I say that if you are willingly, I see more sales from this particular area zone, more short positions from this area with a stop loss there and a take profit all the way down. Yeah. Don't forget that this pair is still on a bearish trend. So this is the last shot we are going to try to sell this pair. And guys, I can't see the comment. I see. Guys, can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly for those people who are on the live stream? Okay, Daniel Msoma, yes. Okay, so that's the view I have on USDCHF. More sales of positions on that. USD card, same case. We were looking for more sales from yesterday's. The market didn't obey that reversal. Let's come back to daily time frame. Coming back to daily time frame and then remove all the drawings. Coming back to weekly. Can I see on a weekly? No weekly liquidity. No monthly liquidity. Weekly, no. Daily, no daily liquidity. 4 hours. I don't have any view on this pair because I'm trying to check on a premium zone. We can be able to have a view on this. I can't see anything because you can't just come sell on a surprise zone. I don't see any premium, anything that is giving me confirm. You like this one, I can be able to see this is something that I can reference from. I can normally check a fair swing and a change of character is much visible there. But when I come on USD card, I can't see anything. Let's give a pause. Let's go around all the analysis so we can be able to see what's the view on the market. So come to USD, AUD, USD. I think this one even activated. I remember this also search traded this. This one we had given this reversal from this head, shoulder, and shoulder. And remember when I gave this view like this. So this one went how many pips? How many people were able to catch even this trade on AUD, USD? It went how many pips? Around 23 pips. Gave us 23 pips and then dropped. So how many people were able to get like an entry using this entry? How many people are able to get this entry on AUDSD? Another thing is what I can see is AUDSD had left an order block here. You can see it has been mitigated. And let's come back to lower time frame. Okay, I see active buys action. Let's come to daily time frame. Let's come back to 4 hours. Okay, 2 hours, 1 hour. Okay, 45 minutes, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. I see active buys on this pair. 5 minutes. Ah, I see active buys on this AUD Okay. And how many people were able to catch from yesterday's analysis, from yesterday's entries on AUD I see an active buy with a stop loss there and look for buy opportunity. Let's come back to this Euro USD. No, there's something wrong I have noticed. Let's come back to this analysis, and this is how you're going to do. When sometimes you can come in the market and try to figure out where the direction of the market is heading to. There's something, whenever I came to this zero USD in the morning and I did this, and I saw this order block. You can always see this order block. This can be able to give you an insight of where the other market is heading. You see this order block is visible on Euro USD. You come with this order block is visible also on GBP USD. This is how you'll be able to use. You can be able to use correlation to get um to get a conference or a clear direction of where the market is. Sometimes you can come in the market and you can be confused in such a way that you try to analyze USDCHF, you see it's not adding up because there's no way you're going to sell USDCHF and sell GU and Euro USD. So we start this analysis again. Okay, so this is the insight, and the insight came from trying to analyze several pairs and having an insight on where the market is heading to. So now I have a clear direction. Now I've understood where the market is heading to. My view on this market, I'll continue buying this Euro US, this USDCHF. I'm continuing to buy it. Let's go to 2 hours, look for an opportunity. Since we did a reversal here all the way down, we did this reversal. Let me check. It has done also a break and retest here. This one visible on 1 hour. You can be able to put a visibility. This break and retest here. Let's come back to 45 minutes. Nothing to see. Okay. And where is today's liquidity? Today is on Thursday. And Thursday here. Today's liquidity is here. And then we have this. Let me put this market. Okay. Small buying opportunity from this particular level. From that particular level, let's go now down to 15 minutes. Is there order block? Yes. 30 minutes. Let's say 30 minutes. And then 15 minutes. Okay. more buying opportunity for this pair, more buying opportunity, and a stop loss like this here. And I will go for long positions on this pair, continue buying it, and then TP this high one. It has a risk to ratio of 2. Okay, and come back to 30 minutes, and then come back to 30 minutes, and I'm trying to check the reason why you see today I'm a little stagnant in terms of checking this analysis, because I want to understand the overall direction of this market. And for me, I see mobiles on USDCHF, mobiles on this pair, and the same case mobiles on USD CAD, because there's no way we are going to try to sell this market. Whereas since when we started buying this market from here, I don't think it's right for us to change the direction until we see the change of direction by itself. And can clearly see it's leaving an order block here currently. So you see this is an order block which is being left less than 4 hours. So come back to 2 hours. Is there any order block? No. Oh, there's order block in 2 hours here. Break and retest here. This particular zone, and come back to 1 hour. Remove drawings. And then have you done a break and retest here? And don't tell me today's this Wednesday. Today's liquidity is where? Today's liquidity is here. Okay. Okay. Come back to 4 hours. I'm trying to check for an entry for us to buy, because I can clearly see we have this order block which is visible in 4 hours, but it's just on the top. So this actually, whenever we have this binary candlestick, um, whenever you have these binary candlesticks, people know, I know you guys know what I suggest is there's a binary candlestick. In case the market will go high, come back again to this particular level and then buy. But I'm trying to figure out where we can be able to have an re-entry on this pair. I see a possible re-entry is only here. A possible re-entry for long position, and use confirmation to have this re-entry there. A possible re-entry for more buy positions on USD card, AUDSD. AUDSD, yesterday, don't forget that you guys, we have still been waiting for this market drop all the way to this order block level here. I'm still looking forward for AUDSD today to drop all the way to this order block, but trying to check an entry for sales. I'm trying to look for one. I can see it seems we have a trend line which is being followed here. It's not being placed. Why? I don't know why it's not taking trend line. Come back to 45 minutes. Come back to 30 minutes. On 30 minutes, I can see anything for us to be able to sell. Nothing. Unless you set from this particular level, and then the liquidity for the day, this is Thursday 6, assuming that's the liquidity of the day, and this is Thursday, and then 5 minutes. Did this market do the reversal? Not yet. Okay. So if you are looking for more short position on this market, I can suggest something like this. On AUD USD today and drop for something like this. Yeah, I can suggest something like that. And your confirmation should be on 5 minutes. Yeah, should be on 5 minutes. You should be on 5 minutes. That's the view on AUDSD. It's much clearer. Let me put this here so you can be able to see where your entry is. Sorry. Yeah, something like that. Okay, Euro USD. Coming back to Euro USD. Euro USD had already analyzed in the morning, and I saw this opportunity from this particular level. I know this is a flag. Let's come back and check on 4 hours where the market is reacting from. And then I see more sales opportunity from this particular level of another block. This is much clearer. It's more more explanatory, but this one use confirmation of another block to take this Euro USD and continue selling this market from that particular level. The same case with you, they have the same similarities. So once it confirm on Euro USD, it is also give us a similarity of the same thing on GBP USD. The same give you a similarity on GBP USD. Okay. Okay. Up to that point, let me see on the comment section. You guys, are you agreeing? You see, there's a shift of market, like there's a lot of changes in the market, and that's why today we are hesitant because not we are not used the same analysis. Like the other day, we are just coming continuing the trend, but define today's analysis. I've noticed a lot of changes in the market, and that's why we are trying to catch up with what is going on in the market. Let me see on the comment section. Someone saying everything is clear. 3 yesterday's of setup hit stop loss. Can you comment down which setups? Someone said, what about weekly supply on USDCHF? Let me check weekly supply. I have checked on weekly supply and I've not seen anything. Let me see on weekly. Weekly, no. You know the reason why I'm looking forward for this market event to buy, consider we have this order block, which was okay. You know, I've been singing this song. The market will still come back to this order block here on USDCHF. It's going to come high all the way to there. That's the reason why. So I've been saying, even remember when I talked about this, you can go back to my previous video when I advised people, those people who saw this reversal here, we had this reversal down here. It's going to take market all the way back to this order block, which I'm looking forward for the market to come back to. The order block is visible here. So I'm looking for this market to buy all the way here so you can be able to continue down. Someone saying I made 200 from Euro USD, though I com- accompanied your view with my own analysis. It was nice. That's great. So we are where? We are on GU and Euro USD. So I said on this GU and Euro USD today, we have to check on those order blocks which are visible. These are very nice setups. You can wait for them. And you know the way like I like order blocks in terms of currency pair, they really work well. So Eurocard, we have not been having any view on Eurocard because of this ranging each and every day. This ranging, we have not been having this ranging on it. GPP card, let's come to GPP card. Yesterday we didn't have any view on GPP card. Yesterday, you know, this market come back and sell from this particular level. We had not been having any view since we traded this order block, no any other view. The same case now, the market is on a surprise zone, and I know this market is on a bearish trend, so I cannot be able to sell where it is unless it will leave another block or something else give you another view. So Eurocard and Gcard don't have any view. Euro NZD was yesterday's analysis. We were looking for sell from this order block, but there is too much range in my friends. These currencies sometimes they can be exhausting, to be honest, because what the fuck is going on with this? Because I took this pair history yesterday and you can clearly see it's still running how many pips? 18 pips. The highest pips are going to 45 pips and still ranging there. And then our stop loss has been there. Who's still holding Euro NZD? Anybody who's still on this pair that they are holding Euro NZD? Who is holding this pair from yesterday's analysis? From the comment section, and let me know if my analysis are clear. Let me know also whether my analysis is clear, like my screen is clear. It seems something is not right. So if you see my analysis are not clear, you can exit the live stream and come back again. So as you can be able to see the screen can clear itself. So if you see you come to my screen and see that you're not seeing anything, just leave the live stream and come back again. And for those people who are on my TikTok, I'm on live on my YouTube channel. I see. I think now everything is clear. I see Euro NZT imesumbua sana nikatoka. Abuta tasnim Euro and someone said JPY. No, we tujafika the JPY pairs. Oh my god. Internet inasumbuanga. Guys, can you hear me? And can you see me? Let me see on the comment sections. Kefa anasema ziko best. Nimeona Kefa for the first time kwa live stream. I'm not sure if my internet is clear on your end. Yes, you are clear. Okay. Since then, it's my problem. And where is my phone saying that I don't have internet? You are clear. Yes, you have a you're very clear. Okay, so I'm talking about Euro NZD. What I can see on Euro NZD is that the market has been ranging since we sold this market yesterday here. And let me come back on daily time frame. There's nothing has changed me. This market has reached in the direction. Let's come back to weekly. Oh, weekly really closed last week. Let me hide the drawings. You can come here and hide the drawings. And also the market is reacting even from the previous week liquidity because that's a weekly liquidity. And they are okay. Oh, that's the reason why we were selling yesterday. This is on daily time frame. And then come back to 4 hours. This is on 4 hours. And then come back to 2 hours. And then you have a break and just nah. I don't know why this market is not giving me confirmation. I'll stick to my analysis. For me, I believe in a setup until the stop loss is hit. So I'll still stick to my analysis unless the setup is hit. And that's when I'll be able to say it has really violated our strategy because we can't ignore the fact that this market is on a liquidity. And the market, it'll sell all the way to the TPRD because we didn't have this view because it was a buying point. Okay. So I say it still stick to my my analysis on how we had this view. And then haikuguza mara ya kwanza kwa sababu it was supposed to activate here from the liquidity and come back again here. Make sure your TP is not there. Your TP is here. So I'll still stick to that analysis of it. Again, I will not change anything. AUD NZD. This one also failed from yesterday's because we were looking for from this liquidity and then Imeguza stop loss. Currently, and then this AUD NZD and this is Euro NZD. There's something I've seen. This they have to have a positive correlation. And once they have a positive correlation, what do I mean? They have to go the same direction. So removing this on the drawings, this was I can clearly see this market has an order block, which is very visible on 30 minutes. Can you wait for this market here? Can you wait for there's another order block which is not mitigated here. Can you just come on daily time frame and reset? Oh, daily market, this market. This AUD NZD, it's bullish. And this Euro NZD. No, this market, they are totally different. They don't have the same correlation. Because you see, Euro NZD on daily time frame, this market is bearish. AUD NZD, this market is bullish. So they have a totally different direction. So I'll stop adding them, making them as one. So on AUD NZD, I've said my analysis still remain the same. I'm not changing my bars, but AUD NZD, I've seen this market is on a bullish trend. And coming back to 45 or 30 minutes, I can see we have another block here. Let's wait for this market to come back to this order block, which is now visible on AUD NZD. And I hope you guys, how to trade an order block. I know you know how to trade an order block. So wait for the confirmation here for the order block so you can be able to take that as entry. Let's go to GBP CHF. Yesterday, did we have any view on GBP CHF? No, we didn't have any view. We didn't have any view on GBP CHF. We didn't have any view. I'm trying to see anything 2 hours. Nothing I can be able to see. No break and retest. Remove all the drawings. No order block here. Nothing. GBP AUD. GBP AUD, however, we're looking forward for here. It's the day we are looking for a break and retest here. And the same thing I also gave yesterday from that view. Let's come back to this daily. I've been selling this pair. Just remove drawings. GBP AUD is bearish. This market is bearish. And bearish, and what I can see is also it's giving us it is not a break and retest here and giving us a confirmation here. I see active sales, continue selling this pair. Active sales with a stop loss. How many pips are the stop loss? Less than 10. 18 pips. It has GBP AUD pips is gonna pips more than gonna pips sana. So, but I still see more. So you can sell on your TP here, TP1 here. How many pips are those? From all the way here. How many pips are those? Those are around 35 pips. Let's see on 5 minutes. Can the market adjust to a certain particular zone? Okay. Don't see anything. Let's come to lower time frame. Try and look for sales from this particular level. Come back to 1 hour. Oh, the market has already mitigated that area zone. Oh, no, okay, no. Yeah. Look for more sales to retest. This market will just slightly above and then continue selling this market. Short position on GBP AUD, stop loss there, and then continue selling this pair. And then Euro AUD, Did you have any view on Euro AUD daily? This market is still bearish, very bearish. 4 hours, oh, too much ranging. 2 hours, nothing. There's too much ranging on this pair. There's a fair soon and a change of card. It give me more sales opportunity. More sales because these are fair soon and change of card are retested and a stop loss should be there. And then you continue more selling on Euro AUD. And then for the JPYs, I've seen, is everything clear? Just let me know from the screen. For the JPY pairs, I've seen this market have already done a reversal. Zimebuy finally. But now, zimetuachia order block. Clearly, we have a failure swing down here, and we have a change of character, and then we are going to use an SMS, and then change of character, and then RTO. So what does that mean? The market is going to come back again to this order block, which is visible here. We can look forward for more buys on these pairs, the JPY pairs now. You see? Yeah, we can look forward for more JPY, cut JPY. Same case, look forward for more buys from these levels. And on now, do you have any other block? Let me see on USD JPY. Do you have any other block? No. I'll still remain on this clear movement, which is visible. We have another order block here, which is for 2 hours and 4 hours. But this market has done a failure swing and a change of character. It has not retested. So for this to have that long position, still come back again to there. They'll still come back again down there to wipe off. So it's still going to come back again to those change of characters. So when I mean change of character, I mean we have a failure swing and a change of character. They still come back again to this area for areas for more buying opportunities. And for good swing trades, actually, the same case to CAD JPY, the same case to Euro JPY, they are still going to come back again to this particular level. Same case on GBP JPY. But GBP JPY seems to have a reversal. Let's come back in 2 hours. Okay, I see more this opportunity from this order block here on GJ, more buying opportunity. So you're going to have a long position from there and then a stop loss there. And make sure you're using the order block or confirmation for you to take an entry. Since then, we are going to have a reversal. You see this, if I extend this, it's giving us a reversal. So the same area we have another block, the same area we have a reversal for the GJ. Is my screen clear? I can see from my end everything is not clear. Can I see from your end if everything's clear? Let me see. Just kindly comment. We have around 30 people on YouTube. Can you comment down? It's going to end everything still clear. Let's come back to oil. Oil, there's something on I have seen today in the morning. We have another block which is very visible here. Remember yesterday? We have this other block. Look forward for more buys on oil from this other block. Clear. Okay, so look forward for more buys of oil from this other block. So we are going to have a long position from this particular level and a stop loss, and then we call long position on that particular level. And then yeah, Alex Kirk is saying very clear. So that's a view on oil. Look forward for more buying opportunity from that particular level. AUD card yesterday we didn't have a view since tulikuwa tunanunua pale siku nyingine. No, we had a view yesterday na ikaguza TP. How many people took this? Was yesterday. I gave this buys on AUD card. How many people took entries on AUD card yesterday? Saimo alichukua. Nakumbuka nikipeana these buys on these buys on AUD card. Let me see on the comment. Any person who took this entry? Hii kwa sababu inalienda how many pips? Nakumbuka nikisema kama iko na pips. How many pips? 17 pips. Haikuwa na pips. Nakumbuka nikisema about it. Okay, on today's analysis, let me call something. It's ranging too much. See, green candles, like I hate such kind of market. Bitcoin is at 66. We have been selling Bitcoin. And you guys remember when I analyzed these affairs when the change of card is this was a head and shoulder. You are analyzing these particular zones. This was head and shoulder. Bitcoin has another block. I see more sales opportunities from this particular level, and Bitcoin really obeys order block actually for those people who knows. I see more sales opportunities, stop loss there, and continue all more sales opportunities. And then GBP NZD. This is another one. This one is another one we took yesterday. Who is still on this trade? GBP NZD. Who's still on this trade with this one? For GBP and they have been ranging. I don't have to change my bias. Nasdaq, no view, and USDT no view. Through the analysis, we have got now. Let's go to gold. And coming back to gold, yesterday views was looking forward for the market to come back here. I see the market came and just did a retest from here, a break and retest. And now let's come back to today's liquidity, remove the trends. Today's on when? Today's on Thursday. We can people today. This was when? This is Wednesday. This is Thursday. So today's liquidity is here. I don't have. This is when? This is Thursday, Wednesday. This is Wednesday. This is also a liquidity. Yeah. And come back to 15 minutes. Those are the only available liquidity. This is the previous day liquidity. This is today's liquidity. So those are the only kind of opportunities we have today on gold. Those are the only. If you're looking for buys, if you're looking for sales, those, and we use the liquidity sweep concept for you to have an entry. The liquidity sweep concept for you to have an entry. Listen to me. And for those people who don't have the emotional intelligence to trade gold, please leave it. Leave it to people who truly have the balls to hold this gold, because it can wipe you off and take you back to the village. That's my proper advice. And I know for those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. Just someone to comment to YouTube live so they can pin that comment. People are getting confused on TikTok. They see, they can see the screen. So now it's about the request. Let me shout out the request so they can be able to review of the request you have. And if you have any pair that you want me to check, any yesterday's pair you're still holding, any view, it's time to. And also I can be able to claim it to emphasis on a certain pair so as we can now go ahead. I see the first person saying NZD USD. Let me check NZD. I think I had removed NZD USD because I nanga pips. And when you're trading NZD USD, itabidi uongeze losses because haina pesa. NZD USD. And is my internet clear? Because come on in a load UV, there has to be a problem here. My internet is there. NZD USD. NZD USD. Oh, and okay. So NZD USD. Let's come back to daily. Kumekuwa na news ama this market ni jana drop jana. I see more sales opportunity pia hapa hivi. Actually tuko na hata this area. I see more sales opportunity from hapa. More sales opportunity from hapo. Ishafanya break and retest hapo, hata ishafanya retest, imeacha hiyo order block tena. Usiniambie tena imeguza hiyo order block tena. Usiniambie imeguza this order block bado. I see more sales opportunity. More sales opportunity. They use order block concept to have these entries. But the major sellers wa hii market wako wapi? Wako hapa. The major sellers wa hii market wako hapa hivi. More sales on this pair. Okay, USD CAD, USD CHF, and AUD USD yesterday. USD CAD, USD CHF. You know, USD CAD and USD CHF, we have changed our buys from yesterday's. I said USD CAD and USD CHF, this is the buys. AUD JPY, AUD JPY. I don't know what wawili wamesema AUD. Why is, oh, it's fun. AUD JPY, AUD JPY, AUD JPY, AUD JPY. Coming back to AUD JPY, you have it's more buys. More buying from this particular level. We have the order block, we have the reversal, more buys of AUD JPY from this particular level. We have more buys from that particular level, and your TP should be there. So you have to have a risk in a banana heavy, going long position from there, and a stop loss hapo, and a take profit hapo. So that's the view on AUD JPY. Someone else is saying I do silver. Yesterday hata tulikuwa tunatafuta hizi buys za silver, jana hapa haikukuja, but ilikuwa na flag mzuri hapo. Liquidity ni hapa ya leo na hii ni ya jana. This is on Wednesday. And silver pia inaobengi liquidity. Use liquidity concept to have your confirmation for this. Lazima ukae on the lower time frame. Lazima ukae on the lower time frame to have that confirmation. Na imeobea hata order block tena. This market will go high. You see, it has obeyed this order block here. touch the order block and go in high. So there's so many buyers in this market. So many buyers in this market. Yeah. You can only see just say on the today's liquidity. Today's liquidity ni gani? Ni huku ama ni huku? Ni huku. Today's liquidity iko hapa. And I rarely trade even silver because I rarely have a back testing of what really obeys in terms of silver. And that's what I'm avoiding it to give you views on so much on silver, not like the way I can be able to give you a view on gold. Okay, any other any other comment, any other comment, any other question, any other question? Which perfect pair do you find it is much okay for today's analysis? Like today, tumepitia pair gani umeona? Now this pair is giving me some very good views, some very good views. Which pair are you going to be focusing on? Which pair are you going to be focusing on today? We expect what today for gold buys or sells. My concept is liquidity. So with liquidity, I can go to buy and sell. It depends on. I've just given you the points for liquidity for sales and liquidity for buys. That's the view. Yeah. So with the concept, I can only trend with the liquidity, both side of liquidity. So wait for the market to come back and they have both side of liquidity, so they can be able to trade. Which pair do you find it much okay for you today? Today. Gold and silver have positive correlation. Sure, they have USD card and USD CHF. USD card and USD CHF. USD card and USD CHF. Someone saying USD card and USD CHF. I'm trying to check on today's analysis which pair. These are the only like these order block for GU and Euro USD. They're the one giving me like a little bit of like okay, they're okay. But going through the charts, I'm trying to analyze and figure out Euro CHF. Euro CHF doesn't have money. Even I don't have it on my watch list. Euro CHF, I don't have it here. It's not good. I don't like Euro CHF. It's very, you'll not make money out of that pair. You will not make any money out of that one. I see GBP. Why can't we just focus on this? It has a very good, good structure. Even TP target up at this near low because we have our fares. We can retest. This is one of our strategy that we trade. I see this GBP is a good one for you even to be able to take. It's a very nice pair, and it has pip. You see, on the lot size, GBP is very heavy in terms of pip lot size. Okay, so you can just monitor it, but I see more cells on it, more cells na TP hapo inaweza tupia kitu around 30 to 50 pips, inaweza tupia kitu around 32 pips. So with the lot size ya one unaweza ona $300 hapo. Yeah. Which pair are you also focusing on today? And also Euro AUD, I'm still looking for more cells pia hii. You can break and retest hapo. Natafuta more cells on Euro AUD pia. Ndakuwa na more cells, ndakuwa inanipea kitu around 50 pips pia. Yeah. Which other pair? Leo nimechelewa. Let me see in the comment section. Okay. Let me take even USDJPY. USDJPY nimesema ziko mbali. USDJPY nimeona ziko mbali for them to give us buying opportunity because I'm looking for USDJPY to come back to this order block on 4 hours. Iko mbali sana kukuja huku. Sijui itaifika lini huku. Iko mbali sana for USDJPY. Kuna hiyo order block ingine iko hapa imeacha on 2 hours but I don't really trust it. Hiyo order block imeacha hapa. But nategemea huku chini ya 4 hours. Give me more confidence. Yeah. And guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like as we continue. How many likes do we have? We have 15 likes. Hit them. Let's get to 30 likes as we continue to do the analysis. Okay, as we continue to do the analysis. Which other pair do you want me to check? It's 9:19. Let me give you to 9:25. Don't quote my mother. So you have like 7 minutes, 6 minutes. Yeah. And oil peak on a very good view, guys. Watch out this entry on oil and order block. This is a very nice pair also to trade. Oil inakuwa na entry na pesa mzuri pia. Oil Oil. So you have never tried oil. Can you try today? I've never tried to trade oil. Yeah, oil. But I could trade gold. Try to trade oil. You can have that good setup. Yeah, order block. And you can really know that inaobengi order block sana. Hata juzi tunakumbuka ile order block tulitrade hapa jana. The other day. Hii tulitrade hivi. So hata ukibuy hapa TP inafaa iko wapi? Hapa. I took buys in oil. Okay, kama you took buys on oil, huku chini uko sawa. Yeah, and oil can make you very good amount of money, you guys. You guys. Another thing, let's talk about brokers and how, because the thing is, let me have this conversation with you guys today on the live stream. The thing is, what are the factors can hinder you? You know, there's someone mwenye ako hapa hivi alianza forex. Do you know that like a broker can hinder you from your success in trading? And I'll give you an example. It's only that I can't open conversation, but naziko hapa hivi. And I know Anito nani? Just let me check the name. Anito. Okay. Samuel, you can add, you can testify here. Having a wrong broker in such a way that broker kona spread kubwa inaweza kuaffect sana. And most of the people they don't realize that spread kubwa inaweza kuaffect in terms of trading, because in terms of risk, first of all, ukikuwa na spread kubwa, risk yako itaongezeka. So I emphasize, I'm not here to market any broker. I'm not here to recommend any broker. I'm not even mentioning any good broker. But do your due diligence. And this is something Kenyans, let me say Kenyan traders, they are brainwashed, brokers by influencers. Like an example, influencer tu atakuja huko tu, trade with whoever they say who, and then you end up trading with them and trade without knowing, ama you are conscious that ni kama mzigo umejiekelea. So try to look for a good broker, because success, I believe, after learning and understanding trading, success starts with getting a good broker. Tell me, how are you going to place a losses ya one na broker spread amezipanua kubwa hivyo, hadi ukiweka losses unaogopa, hadi ukijaribu kuweka any trade. If there is anybody who doesn't understand Swahili, just comment below so I can speak Swahili. So even you place any trade, unaanza na loss kubwa, inakuwa break. So, unaona kama sasa inatangaza tu nasema trade like GBPAD. Kwanza GBPAD, you can go and find other brokers, they have so many spread, so big spread. You get me? But when you get a very good broker with good spread, it's even in a good lot size itakushtua, because your stop loss utaweza kuiweka vizuri, unaona itaguzwa vizuri, like hautashtuka. But now the spread, they are too big, they are going to even to scare you even to trade. You get me? Yeah. So after getting this analysis on how to trade, make sure that you have a very good broker, very good broker. Yeah. Okay, something else on the comment section I can be able to see. Someone Jackie anauliza gold tumesema liquidity ni hizi peke yake. Gold na kujanga na pena liquidity peke yake. Hizo mbili nimemark hapo, na unafaa ukae kwa 5 minutes ama 15. Hizo ndo liquidity ziko. Na ndo uchukue trade kwa hii AD entries, unafaa utumie liquidity entry concept. Hapo tu. Ikifika hapa uangalie confirmation ya liquidity and then uchukue. Ukifika hapa uchukue confirmation ya liquidity, uchukue. And for those people watching me on TikTok, I'm live on my YouTube channel. How many likes do we have? We have 20 likes. We need 10 more likes to get to 30 likes on YouTube. Okay, any other comment? Any other question? We have 2 more minutes for the live stream. Any question? And also GBP card inakuanga na pesa. The only problem is ukipatana na broker kona spread kubwa, you can clearly say like this sells. Angalieni, let me show you the reason why naambia GBP card iko na pesa. This GBP card, the drop from here hadi hapa ni 700 pips. Lot ya 1 ni kitu unaweza piga hata account ya 200 ama 300. But another problem is uko na broker mkubwa spread atakuweka order huku hivi. Umepata? So you need a very good broker ndo uchukue trade kama hizi. No, ina move vizuri. 700 pips using $700. This is good money. And najua setups zinaivana. Like hata setup ya juzi hapa, market inaenda vizuri, inaenda na adabu. You get me? Hizi ati na make ndo siku moja kutoka hapa hadi hapa $700 na kushtua. Unaona within the next 2 hours unafaa ujue, am I in this trade, am I out? Because let's say tuseme like an example, tutoe hii tutumie hii setup. Let me show the reason why naambianga currency. Tuseme unatumia hii setup. Hii setup nilikuwa hapa hivi nimepeana. Haya, tukuje tuangalie stop loss ilikuwa how many pips? Stop loss ilikuwa 15 pips. 15 pips, ukichukua lot size ya 1, you're going to lose $150. You're going to lose $150. TP ilikuwa how many pips? TP 71 pips. 71 uko na $710. Do you know gold hata uke 0.05 $150 inaoshwa haraka within the 1 hour. Hata uke 0.1 0.1 $150 inaoshwa haraka. You get me? But hapa hivi ni lot ya 1 na unaona inakupea 700. So I would highly advocate for you uko na emphasis na hizi currencies as move mara moja, but if the time inaguza stop loss ni 1 hour 2 hour 3 hours, you may make decisions that the market imefanya nini imekata. Can we put orders at liquidity levels for gold? No, I can't advocate anybody to put orders on liquidity on gold, because liquidity ikikuja kama hapa, unaona hapa sijaweka stop loss ama sijaweka take profit, asijaweka stop loss because market ikifika hapa sio liquidity inakupeanga stop loss yake. So how are you going to place a stop paid in order na una stop loss yake? So there's no way we are going to have that. Time yangu imeisha. No, it's 9:26. Someone is talking about BTC. BTC nimesema we have order block. I'm seeing more sales on this pair, more sales on here. More sales. Oh, your order block tumeiona on which time frame? Siniambia imefunga above, iko kwa order block. So this order block iko visible on not 1 hour. The order block is visible on 45 minutes. So within the 45 minutes, wait for a confirmation how this order block inafunga. So niwaambianga every strategy natumia hapa iko na confirmation yake. So ikifunga within the order block, sasa ikifunga above hapa hivi tu kidogo hivyo iko invalid. Ikifunga hapo hivyo iko valid sasa. Iko valid. So use all those concepts here. See anything unless someone else has a question. Guys, don't forget to hit that like button. The like button, we have 22 likes and we have over 35 people. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to this channel. See you and bye bye. Thank you guys for staying tuned. Nikolai Badu. Thank you so much for staying tuned, and recommend this channel to your friends and encourage them to keep on watching this live stream. Bye bye. I don't have anything. Adios. And how many likes do we have? How many likes do we have? Tumepata likes gapi? 25 likes. Hey guys, mnafaa mtupiange likes bwana. Okay, sawa sawa, bye.